Dumpster rental service in Elk Grove, California. When you need a dumpster rental service in Elk Grove, California, look no further than Reliable Dumpster Service. We offer dependable and affordable dumpster rentals for homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating a property, or handling a construction project, we have the right dumpster size to make waste disposal easy. We take pride in providing fast and reliable service. Our team ensures timely deliveries and pickups so that your project runs smoothly without delays. We offer flexible rental periods, allowing you to keep the dumpster as long as needed. At Reliable Dumpster Service, we also care about the environment. That's why we follow responsible waste disposal practices and recycle whenever possible. With our simple rental process, you choose the dumpster size, schedule delivery, and fill it out at your convenience. Once you're done, we'll haul it away, saving you time and effort. There are no hidden fees or complications, just a straightforward, stress-free dumpster rental experience. Contact us today at 916-420-4210 to book your dumpster in Elk Grove, California. We're here to make waste disposal easy and hassle-free.